Hi, my friends. It's very glad to have the chance to talk to you about our beautiful program journey about the Quetzalcoatl Kukulkan. What I'm going to share with you is about one of the most important things that Kukulkan makes in the Maya land is to taught to the Mayans about the 13 principles. One of them I'm going to share is that Kukulkan said that everything is interconnected. Sometimes we think that the universe is not connected with us, but now we know that the universe breath and the universe feels what we thought, what we think, what we have in our hearts, what we have in our minds. So Kukulkan insists that everything is vibration. As we know now and is tested, Kukulkan already in that time said that there is a serpent who is connecting with the sky, another serpent who is connected with the earth, and we have our own serpent who is Kundalini. The symbol of that is thus the shell, who is the concept of the universal movement, the movement of the serpent. So Kukulkan is that force who is connecting with everything who is in vibration. The second aspect of that is that the second principle is that all we are connected, and at the same time everyone needs to connect strongly with the four kingdoms. The four kingdoms are connected to the spirits. Every spirit is connected with us. For example, we have our own earth within us, and the earth has the minerals as we have in our bones, the connection with that part. So we have calcium, we have sulfur, we have the connection with the chemicals within and out what is in the earth. So Kukulkan insists in that time that as we go and connecting with the elements of life, there will be a connect with the spirit's elemental of that. So we are not alone, we are not in one corner of the universe, just alone. Everything is connected. Everything is part of that same heart that they call the Solar Logos, Kinish Kakmo. Kukulkan said that every human being has the potency to become in a serpent, to become in a person, a human being with all the possibilities. Third principle, that is everything in the cosmos is like a serpent. Everything moves in waves. Everything has its rhythm above and below. So that concept was applied by the Mayas in the way to see and to live their life. Sometimes we see that our life has a rhythm, so we need to keep that rhythm. Flow easily, don't confront, don't block anything. One day Kukulkan will tell us that something is happening here within us in our own energy. This energy is called the Kundalini. The Kundalini has many things to share with us if we learn how to reconnect with the universe, how to reconnect with the earth, how to reconnect with our own temple. So we have a serpent within us. Kukulkan taught to the Mayas that the most important part of ourselves is the heart. The heart is the nest of the serpent, is the place where the Solar Logos, the Christ Kukulkan, expressed all we are connected in one. The serpent is the symbol of the great wisdom and unconditional love. So in this journey, we will share these principles with all of you, that you connect deeply and you can apply in your life. And you can apply practically, wherever you are. So thank you very much for to listen again the Kukulkan's 13 principles. And we will come to you in the mail.